All right, so this kit on offer has pretty much everything that you need to take a rough opal and make it into a polished opal, as long as you have a Dremel or a flexible shaft. So it has, for your initial rough polishing, a set of pointed centered burrs and a set of rounded burrs. It also has, once you're finished with that, a set of Nova points, genuine Diamond Pacific Nova points. Also has a full set of dop sticks and wax for holding your opal. And once you get to the final stages, it has a set of felts and a set of powder. The crazy dog doesn't come with the set. Alright, so that's pretty much everything you need. As long as you have a Dremel and some rough opal, that's pretty much everything that you need to make it through that entire process in one little batch. Alright, happy bidding.